waste management service in Riesel, Texas. Need a trustworthy waste management service in Riesel, Texas? Flat Creek Solutions is here to take the stress out of your cleanup. We offer affordable and reliable dumpster rentals for any size project. Whether you're remodeling a kitchen or cleaning up your yard, we've got the right bin. We pride ourselves on quick turnaround times and courteous service. Our dumpsters are clean, safe, and delivered right when you need them. We're proud to serve the Riesel community with top-rated waste solutions. No job is too big or too small, we handle them all. You'll enjoy simple scheduling and transparent pricing every time. We believe in honest service and treating customers like neighbors. Every project gets our full attention, start to finish. Let us help you stay on track without delays or confusion. Our team works hard to ensure your rental experience is smooth. From home updates to business cleanouts, we're ready to assist. You can trust us to show up on time and follow through. We handle the disposal while you focus on what matters. Call Flat Creek Solutions at 254-307-9211 to book your dumpster. Flat Creek Solutions, cleanup made easy, every time.